Mix castor oil with baking soda and apply it for 10 mins. See what happens. The humble box of baking soda residing in most kitchens typically fulfills two well-known functions: serving as a vital leavening agent in baked goods or diligently absorbing unwanted odors from the refrigerator. However, what if a deeper, more profound purpose of this common household powder has been largely overlooked? When judiciously combined with a very specific type of oil, this seemingly simple substance transforms into an essential component of a potent regimen, a protocol that ancient healers historically employed to address a wide spectrum of ailments, ranging from the debilitating discomfort of painful bone spurs to the stubborn persistence of deep-seated scars. My name is Christina Morgan, and for more than 15 years, my professional life has been dedicated to the study and practical application of traditional remedies and natural healing protocols. My work involves a deep dive into the underlying mechanisms that explain why certain ancient practices demonstrably work, while others, despite their historical prevalence, fall short. The profound knowledge possessed by practitioners over centuries of empirical observation is now remarkably beginning to be substantiated by the rigorous investigations of modern science. The specific oil to which I refer is, of course, castor oil. Today, my objective is to elucidate the scientific principles underpinning the extraordinary synergy between baking soda and castor oil, and to provide clear, actionable guidance on how to utilize this potent combination effectively and safely. Before we delve further into the intricacies of this fascinating remedy, I'd like to take a brief moment. If you find value in simple, natural solutions that resonate with logical reasoning and demonstrate efficacy, please consider showing your appreciation by tapping the like button. Your engagement significantly assists in disseminating this valuable information to a wider audience of individuals who could benefit from it. Furthermore, I encourage you to share your experiences and thoughts by leaving a comment below. Have you encountered castor oil in your personal journey before, or is this the initial introduction to its remarkable properties for you? Now, let us embark on a detailed exploration of the scientific underpinnings that account for the remarkable efficacy of this seemingly simple mixture. The potency of this combination stems from a brilliant collaborative effort wherein each constituent ingredient fulfills a distinct and critical role. To fully appreciate this synergy, it's imperative to understand the individual contributions of both castor oil and baking soda. First, let's consider castor oil, which can be conceptually understood as a superior delivery system. The primary active component within castor oil is a uniquely structured fatty acid known as ricinoleic acid. This particular acid constitutes approximately 90% of the oil's composition and is recognized as a biological powerhouse. Extensive scientific research has conclusively demonstrated that ricinoleic acid possesses a specific affinity for and the ability to bind to prostaglandin EP3 receptors. In simplified terms, these receptors function as sophisticated sensors on the surface of our cells, transmitting signals that are directly linked to the perception of pain and the initiation of inflammatory responses. By effectively binding to these receptors, ricinoleic acid gains the capacity to significantly attenuate or turn down the signaling cascade of inflammation at the cellular level. This precise mechanism is the fundamental reason behind its profound effectiveness in alleviating conditions such as joint pain. Transitioning to the second key ingredient, baking soda, which was our starting point, it can be best described as a catalyst in this powerful partnership. Baking soda contributes in two principal ways, both of which are essential for optimizing the efficacy of the castor oil. Firstly, baking soda exhibits mildly alkaline properties. When applied to the skin, it induces a subtle alteration in the local pH environment. This shift in pH creates conditions that enhance the efficient absorption of the ricinoleic acid into the underlying tissues. Secondly, baking soda functions as a gentle yet effective micro-exfoliant. Its granular nature helps to meticulously slough away dead and desiccated skin cells from the outermost layer of the epidermis. This exfoliating action serves to clear any obstructions or impediments, essentially preparing a clean and receptive surface. By doing so, it clears the pathway, allowing the castor oil, acting as the sophisticated delivery system, to penetrate and perform its intended therapeutic functions without hindrance. Therefore, this preparation is not merely a simple mixture. It is a carefully orchestrated, synergistic protocol designed to leverage the distinct strengths of each component for maximum therapeutic benefit. Before we proceed to the practical application of creating and utilizing this remarkable paste, it is absolutely crucial to emphasize safety protocols. Adherence to these guidelines ensures that you can harness the benefits of this remedy without compromising your well-being. Foremost among these precautions is the unwavering commitment to using only organic, cold-pressed, and hexane-free castor oil. The purity and quality of the castor oil are paramount. Inferior quality oils may not possess the same therapeutic potency and could potentially introduce unwanted contaminants. Furthermore, and this is a non-negotiable step, it is essential to always conduct a small patch test on the inner wrist. This test should be maintained for a full 24 hours to meticulously check for any adverse reactions, such as redness, itching, or irritation, before applying the mixture to a larger or more sensitive area of the body. Now, let us address the simplicity of the formula itself. This meticulously balanced preparation is often referred to as the golden ratio, and it adheres to a straightforward 2:1 proportion. This means you will combine 2 parts of castor oil with 1 part of baking soda. The process involves mixing these 2 ingredients thoroughly until a consistent and uniform paste is achieved. The ideal texture should be akin to that of toothpaste, smooth, homogeneous, and easily applicable. Once prepared, this mixture can be conveniently stored in a small, airtight glass jar. It is best kept in a cool, dark place, ensuring its stability and readiness for use whenever the need arises. And now, for the most exciting part, the diverse and potent applications of this remarkable paste. Based on extensive observation and empirical evidence of its effectiveness, I will outline 7 of its most powerful uses, categorized for clarity and ease of understanding. Firstly, for the cosmetic concern of age spots and skin pigmentation. Apply a thin, delicate layer of the paste directly onto the affected age spot. It is most effective to do this before retiring for the night. The gentle exfoliating action provided by the baking soda, combined with the regenerative properties inherent in castor oil, works synergistically over time to visibly lighten these pigmented areas. Secondly, for the treatment of the scars, both old and new. When addressing scars, the application requires a more active approach. Gently massage the paste into the scar tissue for a duration of 2 to 3 minutes each evening. This diligent massaging helps to break down the hardened scar tissue and actively encourages the growth of healthy, new skin cells. Consistency in application is the key to achieving optimal results. Thirdly, for the relief of aching joints, arthritis, and stiffness. This application offers profound relief for inflammatory joint conditions. Apply a generous, thick layer of the paste directly over the aching joint, whether it be a knuckle, a knee, or any other affected area. Loosely encase the treated area with a piece of plastic wrap to maintain the paste's position and moisture. Subsequently, place a hot water bottle over the wrapped area for approximately 15 to 20 minutes. The application of heat is crucial as it facilitates the deep penetration of the anti-inflammatory properties of the paste into the joint tissues, thereby promoting significant relief. Fourthly, for the treatment of skin tags and cysts. Apply a small, precise amount of the paste directly onto the skin tag or cyst. Secure it in place with a Band-Aid. It is recommended to change the Band-Aid daily, reapplying fresh paste to ensure continuous contact and efficacy. Fifthly, for the persistent issue of toenail fungus. Apply the paste generously over the entire surface of the affected toenail each night, ideally after showering. Ensure that the paste is worked into the nail bed as thoroughly as possible. Both baking soda and castor oil possess notable antifungal properties, and their combined action in this area proves to be remarkably effective. Sixthly, for the alleviation of calluses and cracked heels, apply a thick emollient layer of the paste to the heels of your feet. Following this, put on an old pair of cotton socks and leave the paste on overnight. The transformation observed in the morning is often astonishing, with significantly softer and more hydrated skin. Seventhly, for the reduction of eye puffiness. When applying this remedy to the delicate eye area, extreme caution must be exercised. Use only a very small quantity of the paste, no more than a grain of rice in size. Gently tap this minimal amount under the eye area. It is imperative to avoid any contact with the eyes themselves. Allow it to remain in place for approximately 10 minutes, then gently wipe it away with a soft, damp cloth. And now we arrive at the conclusion of our top 7 applications. However, I urge you to remain engaged for just one more minute, as I have a bonus application to share. This particular application offers the potential for an immediate and visibly impressive result, achievable in as little as 10 minutes. If you are troubled by dry, ragged cuticles or nails that appear dull and lacking vitality, this remedy is precisely what you need. We shall refer to this as the 10-minute natural manicure. Here is the simple yet effective process. Take a small measure of the paste and thoroughly massage it into each of your nails and the surrounding cuticle area. Ensure you work it in deeply and diligently. Allow the paste to sit and penetrate for a period of 10 minutes. During this time, the magic is unfolding. The baking soda is gently dissolving and loosening any dead, dry cuticle skin, while the castor oil is deeply moisturizing and nourishing the nail bed and the new skin cells emerging beneath. Furthermore, the castor oil is rich in vitamin E, a vital nutrient known for its nail-strengthening properties. After the 10-minute interval, take a warm, damp cloth and gently wipe away all the paste, using the cloth to also push back your cuticles as you proceed. The results are instantaneous. Your cuticles will emerge soft, supple, and healthy looking, and your nails will possess a natural, beautiful luster, appearing revitalized and radiant. This is a salon-quality treatment, accessible and achievable in the comfort of your own home at a remarkably low cost. This simple technique serves as the most rapid method to visually and tactily experience the profound power of this combination in action. As these examples illustrate, the most potent and effective solutions are sometimes hidden in plain sight, readily available and often overlooked. It is important to understand that this approach is not about promoting a miraculous overnight cure. Instead, it is about consistently and consciously supporting your body's innate healing capabilities with natural tools that have been validated by the enduring wisdom of time. My sincere recommendation is to begin by trying the 10-minute nail restoration treatment tonight. This will serve as a personal demonstration of the concept's efficacy, allowing you to witness its power firsthand. Following this initial success, I encourage you to select one of the other listed concerns that resonates with your needs. Perhaps an old scar that bothers you or a single aching joint. Commit to applying this remedy consistently for a period of 2 weeks. To continue your journey of learning and discovering these powerful, natural methods for supporting your body's inherent healing processes, I strongly advise you to subscribe to this channel. By doing so, you will remain informed about future insights and practices that can contribute to your overall well-being. Finally, many of you may have encountered remedies similar to this through the wisdom passed down from your parents or grandparents. I invite you to share your personal stories and experiences in the comments section below. Your accumulated wisdom might be precisely the encouragement or solution that someone else desperately needs to hear today. Thank you for dedicating your time to this discussion. Remember, your health is your most valuable asset. Treat it with the utmost care and respect it deserves.